ClearFilm is a waterproof and highly breathable film dressing designed to protect minor wounds and secure catheters using a frame delivery system for precise placement. Before application, open the dressing pouch and drop the ClearFilm dressing onto a sterile field. Step 1. Carefully remove the paper backing from the dressing to reveal the adhesive surface. Step 2. Hold opposite ends of the frame to aid precise placement. Position the dressing over the wound or catheter site, taking care not to overstretch it during application. Then gently press down to secure the dressing in place. Step 3. Slowly remove the paper frame while smoothing down the edges. ClearFilm can remain in place for up to 7 days, depending on local trust policy and clinical assessment of the wound or catheter site. To remove the dressing, use the stretch and release technique. Starting from one corner, gently stretch the film away from the skin to break the adhesive bond, and work your way around the whole film until it releases completely from the skin. ClearFilm,